Create nostalgic reminders of your favorite memories by making these keepsake magnets with Aleene's original tacky glue and instant tacky. They are perfect for your whiteboard, fridge, or anywhere magnetic, and they make great gifts for family and friends for any occasion. Here's what you'll need: printed photos, Aleene's original tacky glue, Aleene's instant tacky, small condiment plates, heavy-duty magnets, and scissors. To prepare the plates, be sure the backs are clean, dry, and free from grease and loose materials. Cut the images on the photos to fit inside the plates. I like to print photos I've taken with my phone or my favorite social media posts. Think about pets, family, or special occasions like birthdays, engagements, the first day of school, or maybe a favorite trip. Apply Aleene's original tacky glue to the back of the photo cutout, using the tip to spread the adhesive over the entire surface. Then place the photo onto the plate using your fingers to press the two surfaces together to the edges of the photo. To attach the magnets, tear off a portion of Aleene's instant tacky. Pull and stretch until supple and roll it into a ball. Now press the ball into the center of the back of the plate and lay the magnet on the ball, and then press firmly. That's all there is to it. You can create several personalized magnets with Aleene's tacky glue and instant tacky to capture those special memories that will last for years to come.